Xeroderma pigmentosum is associated with defects in option A, base excision repair, option B, DNA mismatch repair, option C, direct reversal repair, or option D, nucleotide excision repair. So the correct answer would be option B. Xeroderma pigmentosum is associated with defect in nucleotide excision repair pathway. This rare genetic disorder is characterized by extreme sensitivity to UV light, leading to a higher risk of developing skin cancers. In individuals with xeroderma pigmentosum, mutations occur in genes responsible for the nucleotide excision repair processes, which is crucial for repairing UV-induced DNA damages such as pyrimidine damage.